Assalamualaikum students. I hope that all of you are in the best of health and mood. Students, today I'll deliver lecture of English of class 9 of film number 12. 3 days to see, देखने के लिए 3 दिन. Guys, first of all, I'll tell you the main theme and summary of the story 3 days to see. The whole story revolves around the main character Helen Keller. She was left blind and deaf at the age of 19 months after an illness. Helen Keller, a remarkable lady, has masterfully portrayed the feelings of deprived people. Physical fitness, according to the writer, is a blessing least appreciated by those who are blessed by it. According to her, we must always remain mindful of the blessing of Allah Almighty. A rising of the sun is so special for the writer because it gives a new hope to dejected fellows. Students, people deprived of sight are not devoid of imagination. The writer of this lesson is blind, but her views prove that she had great imagination. She was a great admirer of nature. She admired dawn, the pageant of season and trees in the whole story. Now students, move to pre-reading questions. The first question is, what does the title suggest? 3 days to see. The title suggests that this is a story of a person who has a wish to get eyesight to see this world even for 3 days only. Second question is, have you ever heard about Helen Keller? Many of you students have heard about Helen Keller because she was a great example and role model for deprived people. Now look at the question number 3. Do you know any person who is deprived of sight? Share your information. Students, many of you have seen deprived people of sight around you. Move to learning outcomes which are mentioned here in this box. I hope you will able to recognize all these things which are mentioned here after reading the whole story with great care. Okay, now let's begin. The first one is skim and scan the text. Students, skim mean study lightly, like सरसरी जायजा लेना, and scan study more deeply. Now about the role models depicting professionalism. Guys, we can say that we will able to know the great leaders who portray or describe professional qualities practically. Now move to third one, use of conditional sentences. Guys, in these sentences some conditions are specified, and if we talk about a imaginary condition, then we can say that conditionals of this type are used when we talk about something which we do not expect to happen or which is purely imagination. Students, I give you the example of imaginary conditional sentences from the story. Move to page number 126. If I were the president of a university, I would set up a course called How to Use Your Eyes. Okay, the one is analyze a narrative and bring out the central theme. Students, we can say that first of all we will examine the story, and then we will able to know the central and main theme of the story 3 days to see. Next one is identify and differentiate simple, compound and complex sentences. Now students, first of all I'll tell you about simple sentences. Students, simple sentences has subject, verb and has complete idea, and these sentences has one independent clause. Compound sentences has two or sometimes more than two independent clause. Complex sentences has one dependent and sometimes more than two independent clauses. Now guys, move to last one, recapitulate transitional devices. Recapitulate mean summarize or sum up. First of all I'll tell you what are transitional devices. Guys, transitional devices are words and phrases that connect parts of your writing. They link sentences and paragraphs together to maintain continuity of ideas. For example, however, in fact, finally, lastly, these are the few examples of transitional devices. Move to page number 124. Here I have underlined few words. Now I'll tell you the Urdu meaning of these words. First is excellent, शानदार, एटीट्यूड रवैया, एम्फेसाइज जोर दिया या जोर देना, شارپلی تیزی سے. ویلیوز آف لائف زندگی کی اقدار. جینٹلنس نرمی. ویگر طاقت یا جوش و جذبہ. کیننس شوق. اپریسیشن تعریف. اسٹریچز پھیلتا ہے. کانسٹنٹ مسلسل. پینوراما منظر. ایپیکیورن عیش و عشرت پر مبنی. ایٹ ڈرنک اینڈ بی میری کھائیں پئیں اور موجیں اڑائیں. چیسنٹ سنوارنا. امپینڈنگ ڈیتھ سر پہ کھڑی موت. ڈومڈ ہیرو تباہی کا شکار ہیرو. اپریشیٹیو تعریفی. پرماننٹ مستقل. اسپرچول ویلیوز روحانی اقدار. میلو سویٹنس مدھم مٹھاس یا چاشنی. شیڈو سایہ. ایلسٹریٹ وضاحت کرنا. کمپینین شپ ساتھی. ڈان صبح صادق. تھرلنگ میریکل پرجوش معجزہ. میگنیفیسنٹ پینوراما شاندار منظر. اویکنس جگاتی ہے. سلیپنگ ڈیتھ. Now students move to page number 125. Hasty جلد. Glimpse جھلک. Pageant منظر. Man's progress آدمی کی ترقی. Kaleidoscopic تبدیل ہونے والا منظر. Compressed مختصر کرنا. Anxious پریشان یا بے چین. New delights نئی خوشیاں. ریولیشن آف بیوٹی حسن کا انکشاف. ریگریٹ افسوس. لانگنگ خواہش کرنا. اینیمیٹ اینڈ ان اینیمیٹ جاندار اور بے جان. اسٹوڈنٹس دا میننگ آف ریگریٹ از پچھتاوا ایز ویل. آر نیکسٹ ورڈ از ہانٹس آمد و رفت کے مراکز. ڈیسٹینیشن منزل. ووڈز جنگلات. آبزروڈ دیکھا یا مشاہدہ کیا. نتھنگ ان پرٹیکولر کچھ خاص نہیں. انکریڈولس بے چینی کا شکار. اکسٹم ٹو عادی. کنونس قائل کیا. ڈیلیکیٹ سمیٹری نازک یا دلکش تناسب. رف شیگی باغ کھردری ناہموار چھال. ہوپفلی امید سے. اویکننگ نیچر جاگتی ہوئی قدرت. ڈیلائٹفل خوشگوار. ویلوٹی ٹیکسچر مخملی ساخت. ریمارکیبل کنوولوشنز شاندار تہیں. اوکیجنلی کبھی کبھی یا کبھی کبھار. فارچونیٹ خوش قسمت. کیور تھر تھراہٹ. وائبریشنز. Now students move to page number 126. Lush carpet گنا کلین. Spongy ملائم. Luxurious بہت آرام دہ. Thrilling and unending drama پرجوش اور نہ ختم ہونے والا ڈرامہ. President صدر. Course نصاب. Pupils شاگرد یا طالب علم. Unnoticed بغیر توجہ کے. ڈورمنٹ ساکت. سلگش کاہل. فیکلٹیز صلاحیتیں. Guys, I have told you the Urdu meaning of difficult words. I hope you will translate the whole story by your own self. Maximum guideline I have provided you. Now I have told you the summary of the story 3 days to see and few grammatical things. I hope you will keep all these things in your mind, and your task is to learn the whole story translation by your own self. I hope you will complete your tasks which I have assigned you. We will meet in next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.